What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What we're doing today, we're gonna go do a little bit of wheeling. Nothing too crazy, but there is a pretty good sized hill that I want to try to get up. And as you guys know, it's snowed quite a bit. It kind of melted a little bit. It's been above freezing the last couple of days, and I know my truck still doesn't have door panels in it. So I gotta take this flag down though, so we don't get it caught on the flag pole. There's no flag on it now. But then we're gonna go to this trail. You guys probably remember it from the video where we took that black Jeep down like a new trail that I'd never been on before. So we're gonna go meet up with him, and we're gonna go and go back down that same trail. So should be cool. Really, it'll be the first time that this truck's actually had any like real off-roading since I put the bigger tires on. So we shouldn't have any problems. Like I said, the trail's not all that crazy. We do have a big ratchet strap that we can use as a tow strap. So and there's one of the apples from the last video. That looks pretty gross. If you guys didn't watch that, go watch that. All right, let's go. Oh, I seriously was so excited to get going that I forgot to take the flag down, like I said. So really, he's gonna beat me there because he lives closer than I do to the to where we're meeting. So he's probably gonna be waiting for me, but that's fine. He can wait. So I mean, like, not that anyone really cares, but I'm listening to the new Upchurch and Bottleneck Project X album, and this is the first time I've heard it because it wasn't on Spotify at first. But I mean, it's pretty good, but it's not like what I'm really used to from Upchurch. I kind of like his like really I don't know, like his real hardcore songs are the ones that I like, and I like the other ones too, but it's still good, but it's not really like what I really would have expected from Upchurch, like one of his normal albums that he releases, if that makes any sense. I don't know, maybe I'm just wrong, I don't know. So I actually beat him here. Oh, there he is. There he goes. I was like, oh, I beat him here. Nope, we got here at the same exact time, so I guess we live like right. Look at, he's got mud all over him. Look at this kid. His windows don't roll down.
It's actually a pretty good time.
Hey, where'd you get? I just got here.
So did I.
I like, well, yeah. I like literally rolled up and I was like, oh, I think I beat him here. And then I see you coming down there.
It's bigger.
What?
It's a lot bigger than it seems.
Have you even seen, you saw it that one time with the 38s on it, right?
Yeah. Are you gonna go climb that hill?
Yeah, I'm planning on it.
Alright, I'm not.
No?
No, it's like rut. I don't want to get stuck.
Well, we'll see what it looks like.
I was there yesterday.
I got a tow strap.
I can't tell anymore. I broke my bumper.
Well, if I get stuck, which I probably won't, we'll find a way.
Alright.
I don't remember how to get there though.
I do.
I'm gonna follow you then.
Alright.
And I gotta lock my hubs before we go down there, you know what I mean? So like, what? Alright, I'll follow you. Okay, I lied. This song sounds like Upchurch. So you were here yesterday? No trespassing. Went in the other way this time. Last time we came in from the other side. It's pretty well packed down though. Like, some people have definitely been through here. So, oh, that's That's a big fucking tree I don't want to hit. Okay, this is where that big hill is. I'm gonna see if I can get Dan to go up it, but he doesn't really seem like he wants to. There's a fucking microwave out here. Someone shot the microwave with a 22, it looks like. Poor microwave. I don't know what all the orange stuff is. What's up with all the orange stuff? What the hell, dude? They like, oh, it's a Sprite. It's a Sprite.
I know who did it.
Who did it?
I'm just kidding, bro.
So you gonna go for it, Dan?
I'm not doing it.
Why not? It doesn't look all that bad.
I'll record you going up from the top.
It doesn't look bad.
Why not? I'll record you now.
Dan, that's super easy.
I did this in the Jeep yesterday.
Alright.
I'll record you.
That was super easy.
There's a stump. Yeah.
Come on, you gotta do that.
Mm.
Dan, that was so easy.
I'm a wimp.
I wonder where that goes.
It ends.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, it's just a turnaround.
I guess I won't go down it then. Come on, dude.
I'm too scared.
Do it.
No, I don't.
So I talked Dan into doing it. It's really not all that bad. Like, it's super easy. And I even drove up this. Like, I don't know how much gas I have though, but I just filled it up. So like, it should be cool. You can keep going backward. You could keep going back if you wanted, but yeah, you got plenty of room. Watch him flip over. You know, the whole reason you buy a Jeep is so you have short wheelbase. There you go. Finally made it. I think that was like a 15-point turn.
You should see this angle.
I honestly think if there was actually somewhere to go on the other side that I could make it over this, but there's nowhere to go. Oh, really? Really? I could go down this other side right here.
Are you?
No, I'm not going to, because if this was more flat, because I'd bottom out on the top of this, but if this was like more like sloped at the top instead of just like sharp and then back down again, I could definitely get over it. But I'd definitely be smacking drive shaft right there, so I'm not gonna do that. But whoa!
I fell. I didn't say anything.
So my bumper hit the ground though?
Yeah, it really did. Right here.
Oh. Yeah, I guess it did.
See the angle though. It's like that.
Okay. He caught himself.
But now I bought a shirt today that says, "My rights don't end where your feelings begin." I'm gonna wear that to school when I get it, and some people get offended.
Probably everybody. I didn't even think that like they do that kind of shit around here, dude.
They did. It was like all the
Kids,
blue hair people.
don't walk out of school, okay? Doesn't help anything. You're not advocating for anybody's rights by doing it, and you're just making a fool of yourself. So stay in school. You probably need that education if you're walking out. She's rolling.
Okay, we gotta close my doors.
Then he proceeds to bring me down the bumpiest fucking dirt road I've ever seen. Literally, I think he just got air back there on some of the little whoops. I don't know where the hell he's bringing me, but I do not like this road at all. Ugh. Michael, what are your thoughts on the death wobble situation?
Well, it's definitely not safe or legal.
No, it's perfectly legal. That Dodge just almost hit me with its dually tire.
Oh, I think you could have gotten over him with this thing.
Look at this speedometer.
We're going 35, but we're really going 45. It's not, right now, it's not all that bad.
Yeah.
But you felt it a second ago when we were going 50.
Yeah.
Like, it wasn't all that great. But it'll still do it.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so we kind of just like stopped recording abruptly, but we went and did some other stuff. I went back to the parts store and got some more of those tire paint pens, and actually I had to go to a different parts store because I bought the last one last time and they didn't have any more today, so I went and got 2 more at another one. They're the same thing though, so I'll probably do that soon. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so I probably won't do it tomorrow, but yeah, so I mean, hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, ooh, orange Ford. If you guys, that was like a DOT truck too, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I know I said it in the last video, but thank you guys for 3,000 subs. That's pretty sweet. And yeah, we'll have some more stuff like this. This trail was, like I said before, like it's not a very crazy trail. It's pretty easy, you know what I mean? But we'll have some other stuff when the snow is gone. We'll be able to go hit up some other ones. So, alrighty guys. I guess that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you all for watching.